Steam, meaning the vapor into which water is converted when heated, used for cooking, heating, and power. Synonyms: vapor, mist, fume. Sentence: the steam from the hot shower enveloped the bathroom, creating a soothing atmosphere. Prefer, meaning to like better or choose over something else. Synonyms: favor, choose, select. Sentence: I prefer tea over coffee in the mornings. Mate, meaning a friend or companion. Synonyms: buddy, pal, friend. Sentence: he's been my mate since childhood. We've been through everything together. Billion, meaning 1,000 million or 1 billion. Synonyms: thousand million. Sentence: the company's revenue reached over $1 billion this quarter. Challenge, meaning a call to take part in a contest or competition, or a task or situation that tests someone's abilities. Synonyms: difficulty, problem, obstacle. Sentence: learning a new language can be a challenge, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Elect, meaning to choose or select by vote for an office or position. Synonyms: choose, select, appoint. Sentence: the people will elect their new leader in the upcoming election. Further, meaning to a greater extent or degree. Additionally. Synonyms: additional, extra, more. Sentence: she wanted to further her education by pursuing a master's degree. Variable, meaning an element, feature, or factor that is likely to vary or change. Synonyms: changeable, fluctuating, inconsistent. Sentence: the weather in this region is highly variable, with sudden changes throughout the day. Gut, meaning the stomach or belly. Synonyms: stomach, abdomen, belly. Sentence: a sudden feeling of dread twisted in his gut as he approached the dark alley. Properly, meaning in a way that is correct or appropriate, according to what is expected or required. Synonyms: correctly, appropriately, suitably. Sentence: she always makes sure to properly organize her workspace before starting a new project. Investor, meaning someone who puts money into financial schemes, shares, or property with the expectation of achieving a profit. Synonyms: financier, shareholder, backer. Sentence: the investor saw great potential in the startup and decided to fund its expansion. Worship, meaning the feeling or expression of reverence and adoration for a deity. Synonyms: adoration, reverence, devotion. Sentence: people gathered in the ancient temple to worship their gods and seek guidance. Bye. Meaning a shortening of goodbye, used to express good wishes when parting or at the end of a conversation. Synonyms: farewell, adieu, see you later. Sentence: she waved goodbye as her friends boarded the train, promising to stay in touch. Police, meaning the civil force of a country, responsible for maintaining public order and enforcing the law. Synonyms: law enforcement, cops, officers. Sentence: the police arrived quickly to defuse the situation and restore peace. Unfortunate, meaning having bad luck, unlucky. Synonyms: unlucky, hapless. Sentence: it was unfortunate that the concert got cancelled due to the heavy rain. Overcome, meaning to succeed in dealing with a problem or difficulty. Synonyms: conquer, defeat, master. Sentence: she had to overcome many obstacles to achieve her dreams. Black, meaning the darkest color, the result of the absence or complete absorption of light. Synonyms: dark, ebony, midnight. Sentence: the night sky was black, dotted with twinkling stars. Application, meaning a formal request to be considered for a position or to be allowed to do or have something. Synonyms: request, submission, proposal. Sentence: she submitted her job application and hoped for a positive response. Ray, meaning a narrow beam of light or energy. Synonyms: beam, shaft, streak. Sentence: the morning sun cast warm rays through the window, signaling the start of a new day. Poem, meaning a piece of writing in which the expression of feelings and ideas is given intensity by particular attention to diction, rhythm, and imagery. Synonyms: verse, rhyme, poetry. Sentence: she wrote a beautiful poem about love and loss, capturing the emotions perfectly.